Everybody wants to know how I scaled my business so we had up to 138 units in less than 5 years. Well, the answer is coaching. Hi, my name's Darren Wright and I'm your real estate investor. So all the top athletes have coaches. So it makes a lot of sense for if you want to get really good at something, then you get coaches. If you want to really excel, you get a number of coaches. I mean, the Olympics is going on right now, and you'll see all these athletes have more than one coach. I'm not saying you get multiple coaches for just doing real estate investing, but you can have a coach and mentor for real estate investing. You know, you can have one on health and fitness. You can have one on mindset. You know, this is what I mean by you can have multiple coaches to help in all areas of success. So what makes a good coach? Well, a good coach is somebody who is very approachable, who's done it before, you know, not someone who's faked it till they make it. Someone who's actually, you know, done what you're wanting to do. I mean, there's lots of areas in real estate investing. If you want to know about flipping, then go with a coach who does flipping. You know, if you want to do one who does multifamily, then follow someone who does multifamily and know theirs. They say it takes a smart person to learn from their mistakes, but it takes an expert to learn from other people's mistakes. And that's what you can do with coaching. Now, I've had several layers of coaching. You know, I got the manual study at home, which took me forever to get through because I didn't have a coach to help me along the way. And then when I joined Teammate Real Estate, or my wife joined Teammate Real Estate, they had a bunch of coaches. They had different coaches that specialized in different subjects. And so we were able to take the bit of knowledge we had in flipping and then move that onto single family rentals. Because we're flipping them as well. You know, we'd buy one that was run down and we'd fix it up, and then, you know, we moved tenants into it. And then we moved on to doing larger multifamily. So then we're able to apply the BRRRR model as much as we could. You know, where we're able to buy them, renovate them, you rent them, refinance them, and then repeat. We don't do that with all of them. So we know a lot of strategies that we've learned from different coaches. And now we have a coach and mentor who's in the US, Mike Healy. We're learning how to buy apartment buildings and hotels, you know, in the US. And we're also using, you know, some of those techniques here in Canada as well to always, you know, magnifying and uplifting our portfolio. And myself, I am now a coach with Teammate Real Estate, so I can help others get started, whether they're flipping houses or small multifamily, or even wanting to get started in, you know, larger ones than that. You know, I can help with my experience, and what makes me a good coach for them is the fact that I've been through the process. I've done it, and I'm still currently doing it. So things change, you know, banking rules change, taxation rules changes. It's always a changing platform. You know, interest rates go up and down. Market fluctuates as well. You know, we have, you know, two fluctuations in markets. You know, there's a gradual, it goes up and down, and we also have a seasonal one. So, you know, it's all them influences take into effect. So if you're wanting to start anything, I would definitely recommend that you seek out a good coach, you know, that you want to follow on and aspire to be, and let them help you on your journey so you can be as successful as you deserve to be.